Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing just like a quick 10-minute glowy skin routine. I'm immediately going in with the Image sunscreen. This is my all-time favorite sunscreen. It's super hydrating. It also doesn't leave a white cast. It's like my favorite thing. And then I'm using a little lip balm. I'm now taking the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Peach Lustre, doing some color correcting and brightening up those problem areas. Then later on, I'm going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. I actually don't know why I did that, but I'm just taking the MAC Mineralize foundation and just using it as a base before I begin my brows. So now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and I'm just brushing my brows up. My brows are really a problem area for me, so most of this video is just me doing my brows. I'm immediately going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pencil in Ebony. And then I'm just brushing that up, carving out the outline of the brow. And then I'm taking a Sephora angled brush. This is the Pro 22, and I'm just taking a little bit of the Granite Dip powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just filling in the very top of my brow and blending it out. And with the same angled brush, I'm now taking my pomade in Granite and I'm just brushing in the tail end of my brow. Roughly brushing my brows up in place, making sure they're to my liking. And now I'm going in with a angled brush. I think this is one by Morphe, and with the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just going to carve out my brows. Once I get a better brow routine, I promise guys it won't take this long. I'm just really picky. And I'm just taking my Beauty Blender and just blending out those outlines so it doesn't look so harsh. Going back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I am setting what I did in place. I'm actually in the market for a new brow gel, so if you know any, please leave those in the comments below. I am desperate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And now I am just mixing the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. It's sort of like an illuminator in the number 13. I'm taking that and the MAC Mineralize foundation and I'm just adding that together. That is my favorite mixture of all of the times. It makes me look really dewy, really radiant. This is perfect for the everyday glow, especially for the summer. Then I'm gonna blend that in with the beauty blender as well. Look how luminous that mixture makes me look. This is a must buy. I know it's a little steep, but this is like my favorite thing for the summer. Bomb. And now I'm just taking that Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer in the number 13 as well. And I am taking that with a Luxie Beauty brush. I actually don't know the number for this one. It might be in the description below. And I'm just adding that to the high points of my face. I like using a liquid illuminator and then going back in with a highlighter, which you'll later see me do. This is the secret to like a perfect glow from within. And now I'm taking a Morphe E4 and the MAC Mineralize powder in Dark Deep, and I am just setting everything in place. And then you'll immediately see me go back in with the Morphe Y3 brush and the Black Radiance powder in Ebony Deep, and I am just bronzing myself up. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Big Shot Lash in Boom in Black. This is the Shayla one. And then speaking of Shayla, I'm going in with her lipstick in Quickie. And then going in with MAC Spite. And I'm just roughly blending those two things together. I know it looks like I'm so rough on myself, guys, but I'm really not. And now I'm just taking a Sephora fan brush. It'll be in the description below as well. I'm taking Jackie Aina Le Peach on the high points of my face and then setting that in with the Carly oil. Guys, this look is super easy, super seamless, super fun, very lightweight, very easy going. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment down below, like, share with all your friends. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Thank you.